What's the meaning of bookmark? Bookmark. Bookmark.
Bookmark. Bookmark. A bookmark is a digital or physical marker that indicates a specific location within a document, web page, or electronic file. The purpose of a bookmark is to allow you to quickly return to that specific location without having to search through the entire document or web page again. Digital bookmarks are often used in web browsers to save frequently visited pages, while physical bookmarks are used to mark a page in a book for later reference. Regardless of the medium, bookmarks are a useful tool for organizing and accessing information efficiently.